Welcome. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download ChatGPT on Android. So you don't need to open your Play Store. You just need your Google Chrome. Okay, so click Google Chrome, and then you want to search or type the URL of ChatGPT, which is chat that openai.com, and then click enter. And then after that, you can see here on the upper right corner of your screen or of your phone, you can see the three little dots. You want to click on that and then add to home screen. Then you can rename your app. I'm just gonna put ChatGPT, then click add and click add. And then you want to go back to your home screen. And as you can see here, you have your ChatGPT on your home screen. And if you click on that, going to the web page or on the website. So that's it. I hope this helps, and if it did, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.